Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix PUBG lag. First of all, make sure your internet is stable. Run a speed test and switch to a faster Wi-Fi network or use a wired connection if possible. If your device is struggling, lower your graphics settings, go to settings, then graphics and choose a lower quality to improve performance. Make sure no other apps are running in the background, eating up your RAM and internet bandwidth. Keep PUBG and your graphics drivers updated. New updates often fix lag issues and optimize performance. Clear your PUBG cache and free up storage space to make the game run smoother. On mobile, try using a game booster app to free up RAM and prioritize performance. Hyping, switch to a closer server in PUBG settings or use a gaming VPN to reduce lag spikes. Now you are all set. Follow these steps, reduce lag, and dominate the battlefield. Happy gaming. Thanks for watching.